In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate vocals in Suno AI. By the end, you'll have a clean instrumental you can use for karaoke, remixes, or practicing mixes, all without touching a DAW. Start by heading to Suno.com. This is the AI music generator's home base, and everything we need is built right in. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and a reliable connection, since the separation runs in the cloud. Once you're on the site, open Library. This is where your creations live, making it easy to find the exact track you want to process. Scroll through your songs and pick the one you want to split. Then open the More menu by clicking the three dots next to that track. This menu gives you all the advanced options for that song. Choose Get Stems. Stems are the individual elements of a mix, like vocals and backing music, split into separate files. Note that this feature requires a pro plan, so make sure your account has access before proceeding. Next, open all detected stems. This shows you the available separation choices Suno can generate from your track. For a clean split that's perfect for most use cases, pick vocals plus instrumental. This pairs all the backing instruments together and isolates the lead vocal into its own track, keeping things organized and easy to use. Click Extract. You'll see the credit cost listed, typically 10 credits for this operation. Confirm and let Suno handle the heavy lifting. While it processes, don't refresh or navigate away. The separation usually finishes in a short time, but it can vary based on length and complexity. When it's done, you'll see that the vocal and instrumental are now separate. Take a moment to preview both to make sure everything sounds right. Small artifacts can happen with any source separation, but Suno's engine does a solid job on most mixes. Finally, download the instrumental only so the vocal is effectively separated from the file you'll use. Save it with a clear name and version tag so you can find it later. If you plan to integrate it into a project, keep your sample rate and file format consistent with the rest of your session for best results. That's it. You went from a full mix to a clean instrumental using Suno's built-in stem extraction. Use this workflow whenever you need a backing track, a practice mix, or a starting point for creative edits. And always be mindful of rights and licensing when sharing or publishing your results.